I'm Beck Harding, I'm Nicole's partner, and welcome to What's for Dinner. One for me, one for my friend. What is that? Today we are making these epic steak sandwiches with beet slaw and camembert. All you need are these 5 ingredients. The sizzle steak, beetroot slaw, bread rolls, camembert cheese, and aioli. First, we're going to prep our slaw. So it says to add 1 teaspoon of aioli. I'm gonna add some more. If you do like the aioli to be a little thinner, you can add some water, but I like mine nice and thick and creamy. I'm going to season it now with some salt and a little bit of pepper. Give that another little mix. Nice, we're gonna put that aside. Now we're going to do the steak. So you want the pan nice and hot. I'm gonna add a little bit of an oil spray. Some salt and some pepper. And you want to cook them for 1 to 2 minutes each side so you get a nice sort of caramelized crust on the steak. All right, I'm gonna turn these over. That is what you want there. Gonna take them off and put them to the side to rest. If you've got leftover steak, you can wrap it up and pop it in the freezer. That can stay in there for a good amount of time. All right, we'll season these as well.
I'm excited.
The recipe will make 4. We're only making 2 today. You can use the rolls at a later time. I just found out that if you sprinkle a bit of water on top of stale bread and put it in the oven, it just brings it back to life. I think they're good. All right, so now we are going to cut up our bread. We're going to slice it in half. So I want these nice and crunchy and yummy and like warm and golden. Pop these on a tray and chuck them under the grill just until they're nice and golden. I have my nice toasty golden rolls. And next we're going to slice our steak. Next we're going to take our camembert. I'll just taste it. And you just want to slice maybe, how many do you think we'll want each roll? Maybe 3? I'm just gonna slice a couple of extras because they are slightly larger rolls and it's almost lunchtime. I'm going to grab my coleslaw, then we can start to build. Grab the 2 bases, pop our garlic aioli. You just want enough just to coat the base of the roll. No one wants a dry steak sandwich. Now we're going to take our beet slaw, pop our meat in. Yum. Pop our slices of cheese on. I like to add just a little bit more aioli and pop that on. And that's that, super easy. Look at them, they're so perfect. That is a steak sandwich if I've ever seen one. And now it's time to taste it, and I've worked really hard for this, so. It's really good. Do I even use Chevy yet?